Let's make a fillable Easter egg.
Okay, supplies you'll need is cotton fabric, one with Easter print or Easter color, one lining. You'll need thread, scissors, and a Easter egg print. I got mine from the internet off of a coloring book. It's 6 inches tall by 4.5 inches wide. And first thing we'll do is start by cutting out the Easter egg print. Okay, you cut one lining and one outside piece 7 by 5.5, and you cut two other pieces 8 by 5.5. The pieces that are 8 inches long, folding them in half, iron each piece. Now we take the two pieces that we just folded and ironed, and we're going to sew them with a 1/4 inch seam on the folded edge. Okay, so now we're ready to assemble it. So we have our two pieces that are 7 by 5.5. We have the outside piece, the lining, and then we have our two pieces that we just sewed in half. So you start by putting the part that's going to be your main part on the outside over your lining face up. Okay, then this is the tricky part. You want to, whatever you're seeing is how you want to assemble it, then you have to turn it upside down. So this is what I mean. I want this to be on the top, I want this to be on the bottom. Okay, so it's going to look like this piece. We're going to flip it over on top of the two that we just layered. Then we're going to take our bottom piece and we're going to flip it over that piece. Now you are ready to put your egg pattern on it. I'm going to just put a couple pins in so that it doesn't shift on me. And you'll hold it in place for me. Okay. So now I'm layered the way I want it, okay? So now you're going to take your egg pattern that you cut out earlier and you're going to place it in the middle. So you want to see like where is the main pattern at, where do you actually want it at. You kind of center it right in the middle, okay? Then you draw around it. Now you Okay, now we're going to sew it. We're just going to sew on the line that we just drew around the egg. When you get to the double parts, go back and forth over it a couple times to make sure it's steady. Go all the way around till you get back to where you began. Okay, then take your scissors, trim all around the seams. I use my pinking scissors so the inside of the egg looks nice, and then turn it inside out. Now here is our end result. Turned it inside out. Got your pocket right there. And got your little gnomes on top. The back looks like this. And stick your little candies in here. You can stick anything you want in there. Cover it up. You got a nice little Easter egg gift for someone.